Simple things bring peace. Post 28. A decade ago, an artist friend gave me a bag full of good quality acrylic paint in tubes. She suffered from allergic reactions whenever she used them. I gratefully accepted the treasure, and I had a 3-week holiday ahead of me. I prepared my 20 boards in the rustic location where I normally spend my holidays, and I wondered a bit what I would paint. I decided I would prepare 10 backgrounds for landscapes and 10 backgrounds for portraits. I was going to take photographs of the landscapes and the people I see around me. I walked into the veld and took my photographs. In the comfort of the little holiday studio, I downloaded the photographs and then I started to draw by looking at the computer screen. Those were the days when the screens went to sleep much faster and I had to protect the keyboard with a cloth, not to have paint spots on the expensive device. I coined the term spout drawings as far as I know. Excuse my claim. I would take the acrylic paint, squirt it into a jar, dilute it with a little water, mix it very well to get rid of the lumps, and then pour into a plastic bottle, very much like a ketchup bottle that has a spout. Then I would use the bottle like a pencil. I personally do not really like doing pencil drawings myself. I feel it is too much work for too little effect. Drawing with paint is dramatic and there is immediate color, which is what I like. The only thing you need to remember, if you want to use this method, is that you have to put the drawings in a secure place once you are done, because the thick acrylic lines of the spout drawing take about a day to dry, depending on the weather conditions. I included a landscape drawing here done over the pre-prepared background, which must have taken me less than 10 minutes to complete. But the simplicity always touches my heart. Occasionally, I catch myself thinking that I have to do works that are complicated, because they may tell the viewer that I have talent and that I know what I'm doing. However, the peaceful beauty that stems from an easier work done without pretense often illustrates to me that my notion of thinking ardent struggle deserves more esteem could be slightly on the illogical side. As artists, we normally feel the next creative step, and when simplicity prompts us to silence our inward critic, let us do so. Let there be a peace in our studios and lives from time to time. Not everything has to be difficult.